Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox dynamic heads. Dynamic heads are a transformative feature allowing avatars to convey a wide range of emotions and expressions. To begin, ensure you have Roblox Studio and a three-dimensional modeling software like Blender installed. We will focus on creating a head that can achieve complex facial movements. Prepare your workspace by setting up basic project files in Studio, ready for asset integration. In Blender, start by crafting the base head mesh, ensuring your geometry is clean for animation. Next, model separate mesh parts for the eyes, eyelids, and tongue, as these will need independent movement. Crucially, rig your head with a robust bone system. Aim for at least 18 to 25 facial bones, including separate controls for each eyebrow, eyelid, and lip corner, to achieve fluid and detailed expressions during animation. Once your head is modeled and rigged in Blender, export it as an FBX file, checking that all animations and textures are included. Now, import this FBX directly into Roblox Studio using the Asset Manager. Position your imported head precisely on a standard R6 or R15 avatar. Attach it correctly, then begin setting up the crucial face controls instance. This component allows Studio to interpret your bone movements for dynamic facial animations. Thoroughly test your dynamic head by cycling through a variety of expressions and movements directly within Studio. Pay close attention to any visual glitches or performance issues. Optimize your model's poly count and texture sizes to ensure it runs smoothly across different devices, aiming for a total of around 10,000 triangles or less. Once satisfied with its functionality and aesthetics, you can prepare your dynamic head for submission and potential publishing on the Roblox marketplace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.